Welcome to Multisensory Monday. So today Sarah at Arlec had some really awesome ideas for how to check your B's and D's using the bend trick and some other ideas. So definitely check out her blog first. And then my idea today kind of piggybacks on that. It's how to practice finding visually those B's, D's, and P's and Q's. So I have a sheet. So first of all, this involves having these little sticky labels that you can buy that are 4 different colors. You can get those, and then what you want to do is take 2 sheets and write your B's, your D's, your P's, and I put QU because in my program we teach QU, not Q. And then I made sure I put little lines under them so they don't get mixed up and turned around. Okay. So you're going to have 2 sheets. I actually already had done this, so I have some already cut up. But you're going to go ahead and cut them up into strips. And your student is going to do 1 letter at a time. Another thing you're going to need is this sheet that I made, which actually has B, D, P, Q, U, and the number 9 all kind of mixed up different spots on the page. So your student is actually going to take these little stickies and they're going to peel them off one at a time. So say we did B first. They're going to peel off a sticky and they're going to find a B and they're going to stick it down. And you can time them if you want. My student did B at 1 minute, 1 minute, and then he went ahead and did D and did 37 seconds, so he got faster. Anyway, so go ahead and cut up your strips of your letters. And each sheet takes 1 of these strips plus a half of another one. And the sheet is double-sided though, so if you actually did 3 of these up, you'd have enough for both sides. If that makes sense. Go ahead and match them all up together. So then you would give your student, like I said, a sheet and a half, like this, for one side of the paper. You'd give them the B's, and then they would go ahead and peel it off, and then find a B and stick it down. And then they keep doing that until they found all the B's on the page. And now this might be kind of tricky for some students. They might have to check using whatever trick they know. They might have to check while they're doing it. But the idea is, they can practice this. Maybe just do 1 letter at a session, or you could have this as a center in your classroom. If they practice this and then they get faster, then they get faster at actually recognizing those letters on the printed page. And I also kind of made a bunch of different fonts just to kind of practice finding, B's and D's and all those look just slightly different. And of course there's the number 9 on here sort of as a decoy, so that when you go ahead and do all 4 letters, there's still some on the page that they won't be covered. So when they're all done, of course, this is what it looks like. A student of mine did this one. And then you can see the 9s are left over. All right, well, I hope you have fun with this activity. These pages can be found. I will link to them on my blog. My blog is atlantareads.org/blog. And that's where the pages, but they're also on my Teacher Pay Teachers, Teachers Pay Teachers page, .db. So you can find them either place. All right, I hope you guys have a great week, and if you have any suggestions or ideas for future Multisensory Monday, please do put that in the comments. Thank you. Bye.